Hello everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to remove a background from an image that you've downloaded to your computer. Okay, go to remove.bg. This is what the dashboard will look like when it comes up. Click upload image. Whatever image you're going to use, open it, open the file, and it automatically starts to work. That's it, the background is removed. Download your computer, remove background. You can open the file and check it out. And that is the extent of removing a background from an image that you've uploaded or an image that you'd like to put on a print-on-demand product, which is the reason for this video. Thank you. Have a good day. See you on the next one.